Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Long time no see. My name is Ayanna, or you can call me AP for short, girl. Either is fine, okay? Period. So in today's video, I want to do a double unboxing of the two items or the two pieces that I purchased for my birthday. My birthday just passed. It was on July 4th. Oh my god, I'm getting older. It's so ghetto, but normally every year I'll buy myself a nice item and I'll take myself on a trip. So since the world is starting to open back up slightly, obviously with taking precautions, I took myself on a week-long trip to Jamaica. If you're watching this video, you probably know, but Louis Vuitton is rumored to be discontinuing a lot of their canvas items. So I wanted to start building my collection of canvas items while I can, so that I don't have to purchase them pre-loved, because the pre-loved market for Louis Vuitton canvas items is they want a little too much. So I have just been slowly but surely adding to my collection. So let's get into it. The first piece, let's open it. Drop that over here. As you can see, Louis V box, a small one. So when you open the box, this is how it comes. Envelope. Drop that off. So this is box number one. This is box number two. And then Louis Vuitton. Uh-oh. Struggle. Baby. Shouldn't be this hard. Okay. Box. And envelope. Okay, guys. So these are my two boxes. We're going to start with the little one first. Okay. But before we start with the little one, receipt booklet. And this just has their thank you for shopping with us, blah blah blah. Just basically a thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, y'all. Also, I do not have my contacts or my glasses on, so hopefully I'm in focus and in the middle, because baby, I can't see a thing. This is the exchange and return. This is the return slip. I'm not going to show you guys that because it has my address. And this is my receipt. And yep, that's it. So this is all that comes in this booklet. So box number one. Okay, dun da da da. Box. Take a guess, guys. What do you think we have? Guys, I got the Louis Vuitton. Oh, she's so pretty and so tiny. You guys, I got the Louis Vuitton mini Pochette Accessoires. I think she's so pretty. She's like the baby version of my other bag that you guys saw me do an unboxing on of my Pochette Accessoires. But this is the mini version. This is the little mama. I said earlier, I took myself on a week vacation to Jamaica. So that was my big gift to myself. So I didn't really want to go out and buy something astronomical. So this was reasonably priced. I'll say that. On the inside, it is just an open pouch. Again, it's a Pochette pouch. The inside, it has the code, which is N58009. Like I said, y'all, I don't have my glasses or my contacts on, so ooh. And then also it is just a little small card in here. But yeah, it's just an open little pouch. You can use this in a larger bag as like a catch-all, or if you're going somewhere where you aren't taking that much stuff, you can just throw your items in this and go. I feel like it's a perfect throw one and go back. Normally at work I carry my Coach wristlet bag around, but I took that with me to Jamaica when I went ATV riding, and so I was like, let's just upgrade. So this is my upgrade. I am still, however, gonna keep my Coach bag, but I'm just gonna use that more so it's like a catch-all in my bigger bags. I don't think I'm going to carry that around anymore because it is dirty. I am gonna try to wash it, or not wash it, wipe it down to see if I can get some of the dirt out of it, because y'all, my little wristlet was filthy when we came back. I was cleaner than my wristlet was from ATV riding, so that should tell you. And then this, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. Oh, and with my Pochette Accessoires, quick mini Pochette Accessoires, for that one I stalked the website. Okay, you guys, I just had to keep refreshing, honestly, you guys. Like, I can tell you the time and date when I bought it, and I'll leave that in the comment section. Well, I'll leave that in the description below. I don't know if that'll help at all, because I watched a lot of videos and I tried to refresh the pages around other people's times. I had no luck. So maybe you guys will have more luck than me. I don't know, but I will leave the time I brought it and the day of the week that I brought it. So hopefully that'll help you guys. Now this is gift number 2, and I wanted her so bad. Oh my god, y'all, baby, when I tell you I had a time trying to get this bag. Okay, a time trying to get this bag, I'll say that. So let's unbox her. Oh, they tied her tight, so okay. I got her a little bit differently than I get my normal bags. I couldn't get that off. Whoever tied that, damn, y'all don't want me to wear my bag. I purchased this bag through the customer service line. I called the 1866 number. I don't know if it's either 1-800 or 1866 number. I called one of those numbers, and it just so happened one day I called randomly, and I'm just like, you know, hey guys, any update on the bag? Is it any in stock? Oh my god, because I see it peeking out. I don't like how it's in here though, but I see it peeking out and it's so cute already. But I would just call and ask, was there any update on the bag? And it just so happened that one day they told me that they had enough and that the stock exceeded 10. And baby, when she told me, I said, take my card now, put it in, send me my bag, because I want it. No ifs, ands, or buts. So this beautiful little mama was purchased through a CA client advisor, whatever, and I think I will forever use her, because I really never thought that I would get this bag, you guys. Like, honestly, I really didn't think that I would get it. So the fact that I got it and the woman was so helpful, it made my experience so much easier. But anyways, enough of the rambling. I'm sorry. Y'all can see kind of what it is. I'm so excited. Oh, she's so pretty. Y'all probably like, girl, it's not that serious, but no, it's that serious because I wanted her. Oh, she's so pretty. And she's little as hell. I knew she was gonna be tiny. Oh my gosh. Y'all, she's so pretty. I'm just checking her out because I did watch a lot of reviews where they said you need to look at her because they will send you some But no, all of my everything is lining up. On the side it's lining up, and she's so pretty. And then on the inside, oh, she comes with the strap is non-detachable, which does kind of suck, but girl, I don't care. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Again, the little card, and then the style number, Nano Speedy and Monogram M61252 on the inside, and it's just an open pouch, just like my mini Pochette Accessoires. There's no pockets, just open. This bag, I'm trying to see if I see a date code. Yes, it is TY1221. So it was made in 2021. I have to look at my like list because I don't remember. I think it's like the 12th week of whatever, but it was made, it says TY1221, so I'm thinking that's maybe the 12th week of 2021. I think that's how it goes, and if I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But yes, that's the date code that's inside of her. I'm gonna try her on so you guys can see what she looks like. They even have her wrapped in paper. That can come off because we don't need that. But here she is. Y'all, I wanted this bag so bad. I'm really surprised I have her. And then the piping, I saw a lot of videos that said that the piping was like, when you look at it from the front, you can't see the piping. From mine, it's slightly like that, but once I stuff her, the piping will come out even more and it'll show. But y'all, I'm thoroughly satisfied. I'm gonna do obviously a more thorough check once I'm off of video, but yo, I'm extremely satisfied. I really am. Also suggest that you put both items in your wish list and refresh from there instead of going on the Louis Vuitton website and typing it in. I would suggest making an account because it's free and adding all of the items that you want to your wish list and just refreshing the wish list every so often, and you will be good to go. You will get your bag. I promise you. Well, let me not promise you. I can't make promises. But hopefully you will get your bag, sis. I'm so happy. Y'all might think like, girl, relax. But I'm so excited. If you guys want to see how I protect the vachetta leather, or I don't know if it's vachetta or vachetta, let me know in the comments and I'll film that video. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy birthday girl. Y'all can wish me a happy belated birthday in the comments too. Cancer gangs. But yeah, these are the two bags next to each other. They're almost about the same size, to be quite honest. Let me go from the front. Here they go from the front, from the side. But yeah, these are my two babies, and I'm so happy, you guys. I'm so happy. Like, I'm gonna treat this bag, and she's getting worn out this weekend for sure. She is going in my work bag, and I will be wearing her every day at work almost. So I am a happy girl. My birthday was made. I made my own birthday, period. Okay? But yeah, you guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope that I didn't ramble too much. Yeah, y'all, I'm happy. Like, I'm really happy. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I wanted these two bags because Louis Vuitton is playing with their canvas pieces and I don't have time. But yeah, I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye, girl.